हाँ चलो.
Come on, Virat. Today is 24th April. आज तो रन बना ले.
We'll get one more
Welcome.
chair.
No, our first event together.
Yeah. Is
Talking,
it?
yeah.
I think so. I don't remember.
We've been to events, we've never done this.
Must have not been memorable. But yeah, I don't remember that.
And definitely coming to an office together for the first time.
It's a very nice office, huh? Gala.
So Bangalore girl, you've been around and good to come back here. I saw your Instagram. You've been moving places and having a good time here.
Yeah, I mean, I grew up here. I went to Mount Carmel College. And anyone here from Mounts? One person?
That's it?
Hi, sister. But so many memories, you know, like when I come back here, they just come alive. I actually start speaking in a Bangalore accent, which Virat notices.
Yeah.
I didn't even know there was a thing called a Bangalore accent, but I'll start saying ting and like little bit those things happening. I just start thinking about the times that I was here, and we lived in so many places because my father was in the army. So we lived in a bunch of places all around Bangalore. And just going to CTR, Tom's Bakery,
Yeah.
Corner House.
Yeah. Do you saw that, yeah?
Corner house वाले. मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Cake fudge. Oh. It's, yeah.
You didn't go, right, to Corner House this time when she...
He went, but he had a game the next day, so he wasn't eating.
मैं देख रहा था. खाया नहीं मैंने. मैं बैठा हुआ था गाड़ी में.
So a few months with us, how has it been with Puma? Like, you like it?
Right answer is wrong answer. It has been wonderful. I think as a brand, you guys are truly iconic here, all over the world, but especially in India. I think you are doing such a good job here. I really enjoyed the campaigns I've done. We've just shot the second campaign with me, and I think it's going to turn out really well. I hope people like it as well. I love wearing the clothes. Even before I was signed on, I really enjoyed wearing the clothes. And it's a cool team. Your team is really nice. They're innovative. They're not afraid to break the mold. They don't hesitate. And I enjoy that because I think there's a creative process that I really enjoy. We were just talking backstage. So yeah, I really enjoy it. I'm having a good time.
Fantastic. So I would like to ask you a question that about, a very stressful professional career, which we can all from outside understand. You've done production house, family, mother, fitness, endorsement deals. What is your mantra for balance?
It's not easy. I'm not going to say it's easy, and I think a lot of pressure is put on women, and somewhere this women being a multitasker is seen as a very good thing, and I think it's true we are able to multitask because we can gather a lot more information and process it and then execute it. But I also feel like there's a lot of pressure put on us to excel in everything, and we put that pressure on ourselves also. People really celebrate, oh, she's doing this and she's succeeding here and she's a mother and she's doing that. But I think it's a lot of pressure. So whenever you do so many things, you are going to not be doing all of them if you were doing one thing, you would obviously be doing it in a certain way and doing a lot more things. While it's possible, it takes a lot out of you. So I think the important thing is to prioritize, which I think I have managed to do in our lives. I know what's important. I know that my daughter is at this age that she needs a lot more of my time. And Virat is a great father. He's very involved as a parent. But she's at that age where we've also seen that she just needs me more. She needs mama more. So we recognize that. So I've taken those steps. I mean, I enjoy acting, but I don't want to do too many films as much as I was doing earlier. I want to do one film a year. I want to enjoy the process of acting, which is what I like. And balance my life out like the way I am, like give time to family. And even Virat does that, like just as much as he can. and I do it as much as I can, and one cannot compare. It's really individually how you're looking at your life and what makes you comfortable. The way I'm leading my life makes me happy, and ultimately I don't want to prove a point to anybody, whether as a actor, as a public figure, as a mother, as a wife. I just want to do things which make me happy and make sense to me. And I think understanding that is a long process, and it takes a lot out of you, but I think I've finally figured out what it is. I do things which feel right to me, and I don't look for validation outside of myself anymore. And motherhood has given me that, because you have to trust yourself so much as a parent, as a mother, because you're taking decisions for someone who is so small and frankly incapable in a lot of ways. So you end up becoming very gutsy, and you start trusting yourself a lot more. So I think I'm braver than I was before. I take decisions which are which I wouldn't have earlier, which I would have been afraid to. I feel more fearless now, and I'm not looking for validation from anybody, nobody. It's just what feels right to me. I think that's very important for women.
I just want you to tell us 2 things that you want, in general, people here should take from you and get inspired in their life. Like 2 things that you believe or you do that people should inculcate, and 1 thing that they shouldn't inculcate, should not inculcate.
Well, the first thing I don't think you will want to do is to sleep early. I sleep between 9:30 at night. I think that'll be
Is it
hard.
true? Every day, every night, you're sleeping at night?
I don't have a social life. I'm okay with it. I don't care.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be a little bit harder to do, so don't do that. But eat early. I eat early dinner, and I think it's doing wonders to my health.
7? What time? 6?
By 5:30, 6, dinner's done.
उस टाइम केक फज खा रहे होते
नहीं कॉर्नर हाउस चल रहा होगा उनका.
Corner house खा लो, but बाद में कुछ मत खाना उसके. So like I eat early. I think it really helps, because by the time I'm sleeping,
So when you have lunch, sorry, I mean, if 5:30 is dinner, when is lunch?
So I eat with my daughter. She has lunch at around 11:30, and that's when I eat lunch.
You don't even start office at that time.
But I feel like I rest better, I sleep better. All my sleep issues are gone. I wake up fresher. I have more energy. I think clearer. I would attribute that to eating early, because that's the only change really that I've made in my life. Yeah. So it might not work for everybody. So obviously don't follow celebrities and when they talk about unless they're athletes, but do what's right for you. This has worked for me, and has worked for a few other people I know. Yeah, that's one thing you should do, and the one thing that you should not do,
Yeah.
I think early on, not now, but few years ago, I would react too quickly to situations. So I think now I'm learning to respond rather than react. So that has changed, and I think that's really changed the quality of my life and yours. See, if you're married, both have to be doing the right things. Otherwise, no matlab. Ek karega to it's not gonna help.
All right, so I'll first go to Virat. We'll do this pretty quick. All right, and I have my cue card for this. He is to answer wrong answers, right? Okay, Virat, your name.
गजोधर.
Your favorite actor.
फेवरेट एक्टर. राइट आंसर नहीं देना, रॉन्ग आंसर देना है. क्या यार तुम लोग. श्रेयस अय्यर. बात तो सही है। मैंने push
Your
नहीं-
favorite role of or film of Anushka?
नहीं नहीं, पास।
पहले तो तुम लोगों से नहीं पूछ रहे हैं।
ये मजे ले रहे साइड में बैठिए। पास पास, अपना काम करो यार।
The best innings of your career?
बेस्ट इनिंग्स अभी लास्ट मैच में। ये बैंगलोर के है। अबे तुम बैंगलोर से हो? शर्म करो यार, कितने खुश हो रहे हैं, दिखा भी रहे हैं 0-0-0। शाबाश।
What is Anushka's name in your phone?
अनुष्का's नेम, गलत जवाब देना है ना। डार्लिंग। ये गलत जवाब है भाई, सही जवाब मैं तुमको थोड़ी ना बताऊंगा यहाँ पे।
All right. So now I am coming to Anushka.
चलो जी, अब आएगा मजा।
Your occupation?
Right arm medium pacer.
Oh. God. Best film till date?
Easy. Mega blockbuster, platinum jubilee, Bombay Velvet. I was discussing this with my makeup artist पीछे backstage, and I said कि मैं तो Bombay Velvet worst film है. बोलती no, it wasn't like that, because people just did not understand it. They didn't. It's just that they didn't go to watch it. I said, Puneet, that is the description of a film which does not do well.
Favorite habit of Virat?
ओह, सबसे बेकार बोलनी है ना अभी। गलत बोलना है। हाँ, सबसे खराब।
He's just so, like, he's a picture of calmness and peace on the field.
क्या बोला तूने? ऑन द फील्ड। अरे नहीं भाई,
Then
जवाब नहीं सुना।
no
उन्होंने।
cheekam chilli on
बीच में she
on
said
the field.
on the
On
field।
the
भाई, पहले तालियां
field.
पीटनी शुरू कर दी। मेरे को वो सोचेंगे पागल है।
on the field.
Three most important words.
Virat's name in your phone?
Pati Parmeshwar.
Okay.
OG.
Oh जी।
सुनिए जी, OG सुनिए जी.
Oh, that. The question is favorite item in your closet, and I'm questioning the question because why would you keep it otherwise?
Favorite item in the closet? Edge.
हाँ, क्या बात है। कितने
Best answer.
कितने खुश हुए सुन के।
Best answer of the afternoon.
चलो जी।
Okay, Virat's on-pitch celebration. Oh my God!
बैठ जा यार। ये क्या यार?
Phenomenal. Then all.
Sometimes the bowler is not celebrating as much as Virat is.
देखो ये सब चीजें होती है मोमेंट में, ये बार बार चला के ऐसे मत करा करो यार। मेरे को बड़ी शर्म आती है बाद में।
Okay. Next one, we don't need any video. You will. There will be a dialogue from you. He has to repeat that.
प्यार विभाग प्यार व्यापार की जोड़ी कभी नहीं बैठती ना भैया, मैं तो सिंगल ही बेस्ट।
बिजनेस कर ले मेरे साथ, ब्रेड पकौड़ी की कसम कभी धोखा नहीं दूंगा। सब याद रहता है। बताओ क्या बोला था?
मुझे पता है ऐसी फीलिंग है कि मुझे प्रपोज कर दिया होगा। Actually, one of the reasons why when we was dating each other, like one of the things I was very impressed with, and I was like, यार ये तो लाइफ पार्टनर ही अच्छा है। मेरे को मेमोरी इतनी अच्छी थी, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ याद नहीं रहता है, कुछ याद नहीं रहता है मुझे। फोन भूल जाऊंगी, ये मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब भयंकर लाइबिलिटी घूमती रहती हूँ मैं साथ साथ में। ये भूल गई, वो भूल गई, कुछ यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया and all that. But I don't forget anything about my daughters. Selective memory है मेरी basically. You know, तो विराट remembers everything so
ये
well.
प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकता है।
मुझे लोगों के birthdays याद नहीं रहते हैं और
प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकता है if he remembers everything.
नहीं।
हाँ, little bit वो Scorpio trait है थोड़ा।
हाँ मैं
Scorpios never forget. वो थोड़ा है। I'm like you know live in
एक महीने बाद याद है,
love.
मुझे याद है तुमने उस दिन क्या बोला था।
पता नहीं कोई 3000 साल पुरानी बातें हैं, he'll remember.
Last is Anushka Sharma to sledge Virat Kohli and he has to react. And I will stay clear from the pitch.
हाँ चलो।
Come on, Virat. Today is 24th April. आज तो रन बना ले।
अबे अच्छा कम बैक तो देना तो।
नहीं, मैंने हक कर लिया ना।
नहीं अबे जितने तुम्हारी पूरी टीम ने अप्रैल में जून जुलाई में नहीं बनाए उतने मैच है मेरे, समझे?
अब से मैं इसकी टीम में।
आ जाओ, इधर आ गई, टीम में आ गई।
All right, that was it, ladies and gentlemen. I must say it was fantastic. Thank you so much.